Hey there! Welcome back to HouseplantsLove, your corner of plant magic. If you're like me and love adding a bit of green to your space, but also, well, don't have much space to work with, today's video is just for you. I am excited to share my top 15 favorite desk plants. Resilient and compact, let's dive in. First up is our beloved aloe vera. And no, it's not just for sunburns. I always keep a small aloe vera on my desk. It enjoys indirect light and a gentle drink of water when the soil feels dry. And yes, if you ever find yourself with a small scrape or burn, it's like having a mini first aid kit right on your desk. Next, we have the always elegant snake plant. If you're seeking a plant that embodies both resilience and style, look no further. Perfect for busy lives, it thrives with minimal care. Content with minimal watering and low light, it rewards us with its enduring presence. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Let's talk about the Chinese evergreen, a plant embodying resilience and tranquility. It thrives in cozy corners, showing beauty can blossom in unexpected places. As a bonus, the Chinese evergreen acts as a natural air purifier, cleansing the air around us. Our next plant holds a special place in my heart, the jade plant, also known as the money plant in some cultures. Beyond its symbolic meaning, the jade plant is a succulent which stores water within its leaves. This makes it incredibly low maintenance, perfect for those who may forget to water often. Now, let me introduce you to the ZZ plant, a true testament to nature's resilience. The ZZ plant thrives in low light, making it perfect for desks without a sunny window. It's also drought tolerant, so if you forget to water it, it will forgive you. If you're looking for a plant that adds vibrance and cheer to your workspace, look no further than the Kalanchoe. This small but mighty plant is a burst of joy, with its clusters of bright, cheerful flowers in various colors. It prefers to dry out between waterings so you can admire its blooms without worrying about overwatering. Introducing water lettuce, a unique and captivating aquatic plant. It floats gracefully with delicate roots trailing below. Provide a bowl of fresh water, and it will thrive. Place it in indirect light, and watch its vibrant green leaves dance. Our next plant is beautiful and believed to bring good fortune, the lucky bamboo. You can grow it in water or soil, making it versatile. It thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys humidity. In my last video, we explained how to raise humidity for houseplants, and a lot of you found it super helpful. If you missed that, I've got you covered. I'll link it in the description below so you can check it out. Trust me, it's a must-watch for keeping your plants happy and thriving. The peace lily, with its elegant white blooms that resemble flags of peace, embodies tranquility. Known for their beauty and air-purifying qualities, they make your workspace healthier and more refreshing. For those who want a touch of the desert in their workspace, the cactus is an excellent choice. These resilient plants thrive in harsh conditions, needing minimal water and attention. Cacti come in many shapes, sizes, and textures, making it easy to find one that suits your style. You can also learn about succulent care tips and tricks for beginners from our previous video. Step into a world of enchantment with the Oxalis, also known as the false shamrock. This captivating plant is a delight, with delicate triangular leaves like tiny purple butterflies. Its leaves open and close with sunlight, as if performing a graceful dance. The spider plant is a marvel of nature known for producing spiderettes, or baby spider plants, on long arching stems. These spiderettes can be easily propagated, meaning you can snip them off and pot them to create new plants. If you're looking for a statement plant that's trendy and easy to care for, the Swiss cheese plant, or Monstera adansonii, is an excellent choice. Its large heart-shaped leaves have distinctive holes, giving it a unique appearance. It thrives in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity. Let's bring a touch of the forest indoors with the Boston fern, a lush plant known for its air-purifying qualities. Its feathery fronds create a sense of tranquility, transforming your workspace into a calming oasis. Boston ferns prefer a humid environment, so mist them regularly or place them near a humidifier. Our final plant is the asparagus fern, a delicate and airy plant that adds elegance to any workspace. It's a member of the lily family, prized for its feathery foliage. Asparagus ferns prefer bright, indirect light and regular watering. So there you have it, 15 amazing desk plants that don't need much space but make a huge difference. I hope you found a new plant friend to bring joy to your workspace. Don't forget to subscribe to Houseplants Love and share if you found this video helpful. And let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. See you in the next video.